Python, script compilation and execution. Understanding a computer. Computers are powerful computational devices that allow an agent person to send information input into the machine and achieve a goal to obtain output by utilizing the technologies CPUs, GPUs, HDDs, etc. embedded and integrated into it. It is said that the overall tasks performed by a computer may be summarized into three main steps. Number one, input. The process of the agent, human being, sending instructions, information into the computer, with the information transfer being facilitated via input devices such as a keyboard and mouse. Number two, process. The internal logical manipulation and transformation of the input. Number three, output. The altered and interpreted form of input that will be provided to the user of the computer, often via the main display screen. It is informative pieces of information that is the end result of the computer's process.